Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing assets and timeline. Pick a bar style and calculate total duration so motion matches video length. Once done, create a transparent overlay layer and position the bar where viewers will notice it without blocking content. Make sure to set the anchor point on the edge you'll animate from and confirm your composition frame rate and duration match the main footage. This avoids timing drift later and gives you a reliable baseline for keyframes or expression-driven control. Now animate. Keyframe the bar's width or scale from 0% to 100% across the video duration, or use an expression tied to time for precise syncing. Add easing so motion feels natural. Ease in at start and ease out at the end to avoid abrupt stops. Link a control slider to the bar and drive a percentage text layer from that same control so visuals and numbers stay consistent. Make sure to preview at full frame rate to confirm smoothness and timing alignment. Finish by rendering with settings that match your composition frame rate and codec requirements, and test playback on target devices to validate appearance and timing. Once rendered, make sure overlay opacity and position remain consistent across players. If you plan adaptive streaming, export a master and generate variants. If things go wrong, specifically the bar drifts or percent is wrong, check for mismatched time bases, pre-comp start offsets, or broken expression references. Correcting those usually restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.